Yeah.
So guys, probably one last time.
What can an excuse? Wait. I need to go to the bathroom. Thought you were gonna rear end my ass. She does, I'm gonna beat her ass. I'm gonna beat that ass. Film me and do it. Film me.
I'll probably lay it down like I did out in the country this morning.
He's gonna do a donut.